Hi all, greetings for the day. Welcome to my channel SMA, Shri Matre Academic Career Counseling, the symbol of career counseling. So today the video is on how to become a financial planner. Are you dreaming of becoming a financial planner? Start your journey now. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps that can help you become a successful financial planner. Learn the ins and outs of the profession and find out what it takes to get started in this rewarding field. Don't miss out on this opportunity and start your path toward success today. So, here, commerce, which is a financial analyst career, if you are looking for in the commerce area. So, we have different aspects in financial analyst, which are like monitoring and evaluation specialist, risk planner or consultant, economist, economic advisor, financial planner, budget analyst, and financial analyst. So let us go by one on one. First thing is financial monitoring and evaluation specialist. So the person who manages and monitor all aspects of project cash flow, ensuring that income and expenditure is correctly reflected in accounting systems. That is the person who will be the financial monitoring and evaluation specialist of the organization. So financial monitoring and evaluation specialists play an important role in helping businesses keep track of their business finances. They are responsible for analyzing the past financial performance, recommending the strategies for improving the financial health, and evaluating the future financial decisions. Additionally, they use data to identify the opportunities, improve the processes, and review the existing initiative to ensure that the company is making the most of its resources. With their expertise, these specialists help businesses make better decisions that can lead to increased profitability and sustained growth. Next is about the financial risk planner or a consultant. So here the financial consultants who work with clients to develop a financial plan that is appropriate to their financial situation. This may include retirement planning, college funds, refinancing assets and buying and selling the assets, among others. Financial risk planners and consultants are the experts in helping the individuals and companies make better financial decisions. They work with a client to assess their financial situation and develop the strategies to reduce the risk and maximize the returns. They are knowledgeable on investment options, tax law, retirement planning, insurance coverage, estate planning, debt management, and other relevant topics. Through the use of sophisticated software programs that analyze data in real time, they can quickly identify the potential risks and develop the solutions tailored to each client's individual needs. With the help of financial risk planner or consultant, businesses or individuals can be confident in their future financial plans also. Next, here comes the third one, which is economist or economic advisor. So, economic advisor collects and analyzes the data, trends, economic issues, and patterns. As an economic advisor, you would study the latest as well as historical trends to spot the patterns, predict the future movements of the market and economy for your organization as a freelancer. An economist or economic advisor is a professional who studies the production and the distribution of the goods, services, resources. They use the quantitative methods such as data analysis, economic modeling, econometrics to understand the economic trend and advise the business on how to maximize the profitability. Economists also work with government organizations to develop the policies that promote the economic growth. They provide insights on a topics such as taxes, budgeting, trade agreements, and job creation. With their help, governments can make informed decisions that improve the lives of the citizens and benefit the economy at large. Next comes the financial planner. So here, the financial planner, he also referred to as a personal or certified financial planner, is a qualified financial or investments advisor. They provide their clients with professional advice regarding investments, insurance, tax, wealth management, and retirement plan. A financial planner helps individuals and businesses make a smart decisions about their finances. They are experienced professionals who have specialized knowledge in the financial markets and investments. Financial planner provides their client with tailored advice on how to save, invest, and plan for their future. They often specialize in areas such as retirement planning, estate planning, tax planning, insurance coverage review, budgeting, and debt management. With a financial planner guidance, clients can make informed decisions and their finances in order to achieve their personal and professional goals. Next is the budget analyst. So the budget analysts are in charge of keeping track of the incoming cash flow. Budget analysts play an important role in helping companies achieve their financial goals. They use their analytical skills to analyze the financial data, review the budgets, suggest ways to reduce the cost. Budget analysts are responsible for preparing the reports on budget trends, monitoring spending activities, and making recommendations for controlling the costs. By understanding the company's overall objectives or goals, budget analysts can help optimize budget allocations and ensure that resources are used efficiently and effectively. Next is the financial analyst, which is the last one. Okay. Financial analysts are responsible for a variety of research tasks to inform investment strategy and make investment decisions for their company or client. Financial analysts are an important part of any business financial health. Their responsibilities include analyzing the financial data of an organization, making sound investment decisions, and providing advice on how to increase the profits and reduce the costs. They also provide the strategic insights into the potential opportunity for growth as well as potential risks that could impact the company's performance. Financial analysts must possess a strong knowledge of accounting, finance, economics, taxation, and other related topics. They must also have an excellent critical thinking skills, communication skills, and problem solving abilities in order to be successful in their jobs. So, career opportunities for financial planners. Like there are so many opportunities in which we came up with few, like interim chief financial officer jobs, retirement consultant jobs, benefits consultant jobs, senior wealth manager jobs, chartered financial analyst jobs, money manager jobs, wealth management consultant jobs, mortgage sales manager jobs also. The key takeaways from this video is the financial planners work closely with clients to help them build an investment portfolio to secure a comfortable future financially. Most financial planners have a bachelor degree in a finance related field or a humanities degree that emphasizes interpersonal skills. Many financial planners are also attained certified financial planners CFP or chartered financial analysts.